What's our position?
We're about 3 nautical miles from the harbor entrance, Captain. Condition look favorable for anchoring.
Good. I want us to be prepared. Check the anchor and chain. Make sure everything is in order.
How's the anchor system looking?
All systems are functional, sir. I'll double check the brakes before we drop it.
Captain, anchor and gear are ready. Crew is standing by.
Good. Let's review our plan. We will drop our anchor when we are about a quarter mile from the designated spot.
Current looking steady. Should I prepare the crew for the drop?
Yes, gather them around. Make sure everyone knows their roles. Safety first.
Listen up. We're preparing to anchor shortly. Captain will give us command. Remember your station.
Hi, sir. We're ready.
Aye, we are ready.
Aye sir, we're ready.
Alright, prepare to drop the anchor, okay?
Anchors away on your mark, Captain.
On 3, mate. 1, 2, 3. Drop the anchor.
Anchor is secured, sir. Anchoring successful, sir.
Well done, everyone. Let's ensure all lines are secured and prepare for our stay.